The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Armstrong County, southern Wheeler County, southeastern Gray County, Killingsworth County, Donley County, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles northeast of Lake McClellan to 7 miles southwest of Greenbelt Lake, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Howardwick, Liddy, Headley, Shamrock, Lelia Lake, Lake McClellan, Tweedy, Leela, Quail, Samarwood, Dodson, Clarendon, McLean, Dozier, Allen Reed, Greenbelt Lake, and Wellington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Armstrong, Killingsworth, Donley, Gray, and Wheeler.